Hello everyone, this is Rakesh Mishra from Fin Destination. We always try reaching our customers with latest finance information and news. In this video, we will focus on two key policy rates of RBI, repo rate and reverse repo rate. Recently, on 27th of March and 17th of April, RBI has significantly reduced repo rate and reverse repo rate. Each time there are changes in these rates, borrowers become curious to know how it is going to affect their existing loan interest rates. Repo rates and reverse repo rates are used by RBI to control liquidity, inflation, and money supply in market. Let's first focus on repo rate. Repo rate is a rate at which banks borrows from RBI. Let us understand why on timely basis RBI keeps on changing this rate. When there is high inflation, RBI will increase repo rate so that banks borrowing cost will increase, which will increase loan interest rates, loans will become costlier, borrowers will borrow less money, will consume less, which will help in controlling inflation. Similarly, when there is need to boost economy, there is need to push for growth of economy, RBI will bring down the rate of interest, will bring down the repo rate, which will bring down borrowing cost of banks and help in reducing the interest rate of loans. When loans will become cheaper, borrowers can borrow more money and can consume more, can invest in real estate, auto sector, etc., which will boost economy. Recently, on 27th of March, RBI has reduced repo rate by 0.75%. So, if your loan is linked to repo rate, you will directly get a benefit of 0.75% rate reduction. Even if your loan is linked with MCLR, you will get a rate benefit. But if the rate benefit is not completely passed on and you are not happy with your bank, you can reach out to them and request them for a rate conversion from MCLR to repo rate linked loan. Your bank may charge a conversion fee for same. For any assistance regarding this, you can reach out to us. We are always available for your service. Now let's focus on reverse repo rate. Reverse repo rate is a rate at which RBI borrows from bank, or we can say bank keeps their deposit with RBI. Now recently, on 27th of March, RBI has reduced reverse repo rate by 0.9%. And on 17th of April, RBI has reduced again reverse repo rate by 0.25%. It means reduction in reverse repo rate is more than that is done for repo rate. Now let's understand the significance for the same. When RBI reduces reverse repo rate, banks will get less interest on keeping their money with RBI. This will promote banks to lend more money to genuine borrowers, which will help in improving the liquidity in market. As we are all aware of our current economic situation, we were anyways facing the economic slowdown since last more than a year, and with recent current COVID-19 crisis, bankers were little cautious in lending money. Bankers were cautious because of slowdown in economy and also because of growing NPA crisis. That is the reason, as of 15th of April 2020, more than 7 lakh crores of banks deposit was lying with RBI against reverse repo. That is the reason RBI has consecutively second time reduced reverse repo rate so that banks can be promoted to pull off their deposit from RBI and infuse liquidity in market while lending to the genuine borrowers. RBI is doing best of its capacity. Growth in economy depends on several factors, but we can definitely say steps taken by RBI are in right direction. Hope you have liked this information and video. Please provide us with your suggestions and feedback. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.